I have an Excel spreadsheet for solving the cubic equation I created. Today I will teach people to solve the cubic equation basic by hand without using a specialized calculator. If you are not good at English, please press Translate function YouTube. Look to your country's translation language to watch this video. Noi ban là Noi Viet Nam, hey bam chuck nong dik hua YouTube.
Nếu bạn là người Việt Nam, hãy bấm chức năng dịch của YouTube, tìm đến ngôn ngữ dịch là tiếng Việt để xem video.
In general, the cubic equation will be converted to the first-order equation multiplied by the quadratic equation x cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals xa asterisk bx squared plus cx plus d. So a cubic equation will have one solution when the quadratic equation has no solution, bx squared plus cx plus d greater than 0, then we apply the Cardano method. When solving cubic equation, I recommend the Cardano method first. Practice with me the equation 2x cubed 5x squared minus 6 by minus 54 equals 0 on Excel, and try it again on the Alpha Wolfram. The result is very exactly, it only gives one solution, x equals 4.5. Try again with the following equation 3x cubed minus 0.84x squared minus 5.28x 19.152 equals 0. The result of the equation is x equals 2.28. Theory of the Cardano method. Equation variation x cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals x cubed plus x squared plus bx plus c, where a equals 1. With a equals b, a, b equals c, a, c equals d, a. Factor p is calculated, p equals b a squared 3. Factor p is calculated, p equals b a squared 3. Factor q is calculated, q equals 2a cubed 27 plus c ab 3. Factor k is calculated, k equals q squared plus 4p cubed 27. If k greater than 0, the cubic equation has one solution. If k greater than 0, then we must use another method to calculate the cubic equation. Here, k greater than 0, so we calculate next to w, z w equals q plus sqrt, k asterisk 0.5 caret 1/3, z equals q sqrt, k asterisk 0.5 caret 1/3. The solution of the equation is x equals w plus z, a 3. If k greater than 0, then we must use another method to calculate the cubic equation. Here I would like to introduce the radian method. The formula for the radian method is shown in the image here. Delta k is calculated and the formula of the three solutions of the cubic equation is shown above. Practice with the radian method to solve the cubic equation. x3 minus 15 by 2 plus 74 by minus 120 equals 0, and x3 minus 9 by 2 plus 23 by minus 15 equals 0. Decimal. Results are exactly as Casio, Alpha Wolfram. However, the radian method can only solve when the coefficient k is less than 1. If factor k greater than 1, then method is not solved. See the examples below. Casio, Alpha Wolfram still solved normal results, but radian method was not solved due to coefficient k greater than 1. If you know how to solve the cubic equation more professionally, please comment below this video. Thanks for watching the video.